Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be another Nadine West unboxing. My package came in the mail today. Usually they sit for like a week or two before I get a chance to film them, but today I want to film it. I don't want to wait. So yeah, my tree is up. It looks so pretty. I'm sitting weird in my chair because I have a bench right here and there's just no room. So, whoa. If you're not familiar with Nadine West, it is a clothing subscription service that you fill out a style profile online on their website, which I will link below. And then every month they send you a package. It comes with a label to send back what you don't want. You only pay for what you keep. So it looks like I have two bundles in here. So here's the first bundle. Here's the second bundle. Whatever you don't like, you put it back in the envelope and you put your label on and you just ship it back. And then you only, pay for what you keep. So here's a second bundle. They come wrapped up with a little sticker that says Nadine West. Now I usually start with the jewelry. Oh, is there no paper in there that tells me what's what? There's usually a paper in there that tells you what everything is and how much it costs. This is my first time not having that in the package, unless it's tucked in here somewhere. That's strange. So I'm not going to be able to tell you what anything is. That's really weird. Really weird. Yeah, I've never... Oh, never mind. Now they put it on a teeny tiny on the label instead of on a full sheet. Okay, I always start with the jewelry. So first up, let's start with this. I don't even know what this is. It's bracelets. Oh my gosh. It's bracelet. Okay, hold on. What is this? Bracelet. It's called Love from Paris in silver and it's $14.19. They're just all hooked together with this plastic tie. Look. So there's one that's just pearls. Look at this one. It has the Eiffel Tower. Oh my god, Adri is going to want this. Do you see that? The Eiffel Tower? It's like a little charm bracelet. She is going to so want that. Look at this one. It's like a bangle with a little chain with little charms on it. That is really cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. This one has pearls and a little star. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Just a plain silver. And this is silver and pearls with like this little coin. And they all fit. Oh my gosh. I could totally see myself wearing this, but I guarantee when Adri sees the one with the Eiffel Tower, she's going to want it. She loves the Eiffel Tower. Oh my god, I love that. So once again, that is the bracelet that is called Love from Paris, and it's in silver, and it's $14.19. Oh my gosh. Okay, next jewelry item. The jewelry is always in these cute little pink pouches. Oh, I love my Nadine West. They always do so good. Okay, so this is, I'm thinking a necklace. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. So this is a necklace, and it's called the Lariat necklace with crystal drops in gold, and it is $29.99. Is it tangled? Ooh. Okay, so it's on a gold chain. Look how pretty that is. Focus on the charm. Focus. That is so pretty. Isn't it? So it has the bigger one right there, And then at the bottom is 2 smaller ones. How stinking cute is that? I don't typically like gold jewelry, but this is pretty. Even fits over my hat. This is really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so long. I love it. Yes, yes. Again, that is the the lariat necklace with crystal drops in gold for $29.99. Now the next thing is earrings, and they are called Vintage Flare, and they're $9.99. These are like bigger hoops. Ooh, those are different. Ooh, look at that. So it's like the silver circle, you see yourself, and then with this big hoop on it. Those are cute. I don't know if I would wear them or not because they're kind of big, but I like those. Again, that is the earrings in Vintage Flare for $9.99. Okay, this I know is the scarf, so we'll start with this. It's a scarf in Zandra. It's in black and it's $19.99. It's definitely scarf season. Ooh, that's different. That's really different. That's so cool. Okay, so here's what it's like. That is so cool. It's like fringes. Ooh, and it'll be super warm. It's super soft. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love my Nadine West. Ooh, I like this. I really like this. You can double it up. Wrap it around some more if you wanted. Nice little scarf. I like that. And once again, that is the Zandra scarf in black for $19.99. Okay, next up we have a top called Cecilia, and it's in mustard. This is like the going color right now, is the mustard yellow. So it is just like a long sleeved, it feels like sweater material. So it's in the mustard yellow, just pretty plain and basic. It's super, super soft. It feels cozy. Like you almost want to sleep in it. It's super cozy. And again, this is the top in Cecilia in mustard for $24.49. I feel like I have a fuzzy. So there's that. I'll have to try that on. Whoa, sorry, I just moved you. The next top is called Merly, and it's in burgundy, and it's $24.49. Let's see what this is. Ooh, I like that. I like that more than I like the mustard yellow. So it's just a striped long sleeved. It has like the thicker band. I like that. It's super soft too. The brand is Ambiance. Am I a burgundy fan? Ooh, I like this. I really like it. I'll have to try that on. It's super, super soft. And again, that is the Merly in burgundy for $24.49. And then the last item in here is the bottoms and all meshed up in black for $33.99. Okay. Ooh. Do you see the pattern on the legs? Let's see here. They are. They're mesh, like every other triangle. Or it's not really a triangle, but you know what I'm saying. And they're in black. I like those. I'll have to try those on. These are by Bozzolo. Oh my gosh, I feel like there's fuzz on me or something. Oh, maybe fuzzies from the scarf. The Bozzolo in medium. I like those. Super cool. Something other than just plain black leggings. So I will have to try those on as well. So yeah, let me just, oh, once again, that was the all meshed up in black for $33.99. Okay, I need to try on some shirts, some clothes. So I will be back. Okay, so here's the mustard top. I have a tank top on underneath it. And if you don't know, I'm currently like over 4 months pregnant, so I have a baby belly going on. So this shirt, like on the sides, it has these cutouts. So you would have to wear a shirt under it, which is fine. That's just kind of cool. If you had like a black shirt under it, I think it would look better. I'm just in some Under Armour pants. But it's super cozy. It's really soft. I don't know how I feel about the color. I still have the bracelets on, which I want to start wearing more jewelry and like cuter clothes. Yeah, so here's the shirt. Like I said, I'm not sure how I feel about the color, but it's a cute shirt. It's different, especially with the little cutouts. There's like a fuzz on my eye from the scarf or something stuck in my eyelash. Yeah, super comfy, super cozy, super soft. So yeah, here's that shirt. You see that necklace? It's so pretty. So here's that one. Like, I like the shirt. I'm just not sure about the color. I'll have to watch this video back. Sorry, you can see in my mirror that I'm watching Michelle 1218 on videos. But yeah, there's that. Okay, here's the burgundy shirt. It's rather long, which I like, because you could wear it long or you could have it kind of up and like slouchy. The leggings, I like them like for around the house or like for working out. I don't think I would wear them. My baby belly is growing. I don't know if I would wear them like out and about. Like I said, unless I was going to work out, but like as a regular outfit, I don't know. I don't think. How cool is that? With the little cutouts. Let me try to angle you down so you can see them. There you go. Super cool and like trendy. I don't know. I'm 40 and I'm 4 months pregnant, so I don't know. Maybe after the baby, when I lose the baby belly. But they're pretty cool for being like something other than just plain black. The back is all like plain black spandex, and I do need to start wearing like support hose because I'm having like an issue with my veins. So my baby doctor said I'll have to start wearing support hose, or compression socks, whatever. So yeah, this is the outfit. I really like the shirt. I'm so winded. I'm just not really sure about the, like I said, I like the leggings for around the house, or if I was like running, I could probably wear them like to the grocery and running errands. I wouldn't wear them like out to dinner or anything. I think they're a little too casual for that. But yeah, I like them. They're comfy. Oh, look at this belly growing. But yeah, I took my bracelets off. They're sitting over there. I just didn't want to like catch them and break them, changing out my outfits. But yeah, I think this whole, oh, let's throw the scarf on. Look how long it is. Let me show you a better view. So cool. Super cool. Super cool. It's all bunched up. A little accessory with your shirt. You got your necklace going on. So yeah, I give it a thumbs up for everything in here. And yeah, I thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of my Nadine West unboxings. I do them every month. Bye guys.